Day 14, people. I'm 3 hours away from home. Left Montreal this morning. Said bye to my sons. And amazing. I'm almost home. I'm so tired. Yesterday was, let's say I escaped with my life yesterday. I was spared. But I got through it. And here I am, almost at the end of my journey. What have I learned? What have I contributed? I know I've learned I have strength I didn't know I had. I have a wellspring of something watching over me, taking care of me. I don't know what it is, but it's there. I'm grateful for it. Yeah, I'm grateful for it. Train going by. Don't see that too often, do we? Anyway, I'm gonna take a short break here. I was getting drowsy. You don't see the sun, and it's a big problem. And too much afternoon sun, and it makes you drowsy on the highway. So I had to get off. Nice lady in the house behind. She let me take a break here under her tree. So I'm just going to sit here for a bit, drink some water, and then carry on home. And yeah, I'm tracking another storm that's heading my way. But I will not make the mistakes I made yesterday. Not again. I've ridden or driven this highway hundreds of times, maybe even thousands. But today feels different. Feels like a real homecoming. I don't like the ends of journeys. So my mind is already turning to the trip that I'm planning in 2024. This one's going to be much further afield. It's going to take a lot of planning, logistics. But I think last year's trip to Tofino and this year's trip to St. John's has prepared me. I'm ready. I'm ready to test foreign waters. I keep looking over to my left because there's a curious dog at the window. Yeah, riders like this, they give us all a bad rep. Hey there, puppy. How you doing? Rush hour traffic, baby. Rush hour traffic. Now you can clearly hear the whine that's been bothering me since day 4. But it's just gotten a little louder, but not too much. So those of you who followed the ride will recall that the odometer read 61,355 kilometers when I left 14 days ago. As soon as I got home, dropped off my gear, had a quick shower, changed, and ouch, sorry about that. And then I headed over to my neighborhood pub where friends were waiting to celebrate.
Welcome back. That was an epic trip.